Okay, good day everyone. It's Total Investor here, everyone's favorite YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to discuss or review gold. Why? Because I think that we have an opportunity here uh, that it will be moving higher, not only over the short term, but also intermediate term and quite possibly the long term. And what we have been seeing, or at least what I have been seeing, is an opportunity to get in at a good price with some good technicals and chart patterns. What I'm going to show you here, or at least what you're looking at, is the gold June 2021 contract. This is the futures contract, not cash, but it's very close to that. And we see a movement from the bottom here, which is just under $1,300, going back to August of 2018, and we've seen that move up to 1200 or 2100. That is a span of what, 2 years. Okay, then it has pulled back to the 1700 level. Okay, so it has advanced $800 and pulled back $400. So it's pulled back about half of the advanced about 2 years and pulled back, what would that be? 6 months, give or take. Okay, so I think that we could be seeing here what is at the bottom and another nice up move. Now it won't happen over the next week or next month. It will be many months, maybe even 2 years to get to reach to the top. Okay, and the reason why I say that is because this is a pullback that is looking like a flag. Okay, and we would normally measure the flag. We've seen, as I said, it's the pullback is half of that, and it how you find the target is by going back, starting from the initial bottom to the top of the flag. Again, $800 advanced. Add that $800 to the bottom of the flag. So the target is approximately $2,500. Okay. If you're going to be, now there's different ways of taking advantage of this. Obviously, if you just buy gold bullion, it has its disadvantages. You don't make quite as much as other ways. You could buy the GLD, which is a stock ETF, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. That's very liquid. You just buy and sell it using your brokerage account. But there are other ways, such as gold futures. Now, gold futures are not for everyone, simply because of the margin. It's very speculative, and you can make a lot, and you can also lose a lot, and sometimes very quickly. For those who are interested in looking at futures contracts or opening up a futures account, please keep in mind that one contract for gold, which represents 100 ounces, will require a margin of about $10,000. Okay, so it's about $100 per ounce. If you are looking to buy the June 21 contract, it is most likely that you are going to have to be rolling out to more distant months over the course of those 2 years, if that's how long it takes. But that $10,000, if again assuming that this goes up, say another $500, $600, $700, you could be looking at that $10,000 becoming, let's say, $60,000. So about 6x return. Now again, as I said, it's not for everyone. It does require $10,000 margin account just for that one position, and it's very speculative. You can be taken out if there's a sizable correction in gold. The other way you can trade this is by looking at gold stocks. And I'm going to show you two of them. One of them is the gold producers, large cap gold miners. The stock that I'm looking at is GDX. Okay, this bottomed out again at around in summer or late summer of 2018, and has hit a high almost 2 years later, pulled back. We see down here, this is the the bottom of the stock market during the pandemic in March of 2020. It has since pulled back to around 31 level. If you notice here, the GDX had hit resistance here in September of 2019 and also hit resistance here. It finally broke through that, pulled back. So now the previous resistance level, which was 31, then became support. Went up to the high. Guess where it landed and stopped and turned around on support of $31. That's why I believe that this is now a strong bottom. I think that we could be moving up higher from here in terms of the stock. Plus, it also, look what happened here. If we draw a line from this high or the high all the way down here, that would have been a trend line, and it broke that just a couple of weeks ago. The RSI broke 50 a couple of weeks ago. The DIs crossed into bullish territory a couple of weeks ago. The actual price of the stock also above the moving averages a couple of weeks ago. Okay, so we've got good buy signals here. This is the large mining companies. I see a profit potential, and how you decide that. The target is from here, the bottom, 16.46. That's a difference of 30. Take 31 or even 30. Price projection, we're talking about $60 on this. Will it happen? I don't know. But that is the price projection. If you want to make a little bit more money, but taking on a little bit more risk, there is the junior gold miners. Okay, that ETF is GDXJ, the J being for junior. Again, pretty much the same pattern, but more volatility and potentially more profit. If we take the bottom here, 20 and 65, actually it's about 65, the difference is 45. We add 45 to the bottom here, and that would give us an approximate target in the upper 80s, maybe even 90. Okay, so again, these are price targets. Nothing is guaranteed in stone. Still lots of risk involved. Anything can happen to the economy, to the stock market, you name it. Okay, again, it should go without saying that this is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. This is strictly for educational purposes only. Okay, please, if you have any questions on these charts or any other charts for stocks, commodities, cryptos, you name it, put the comment down below, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe. Please subscribe. All you have to do is click on the George Washington icon down on the lower right hand corner of the video, and you'll be subscribed to all of the any videos that are made, and you will know when they happen. Okay, and with that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.